This is the Mystery Ranch Urban Assault, a 21-liter everyday carry bag built with durable 500D Cordura fabric, urethane-coated YKK zippers on both the main bag as well as the detail pocket on the lid, aerospace mesh ventilated body panel, full-length frame sheet, and removable chest strap. While the outside of the bag is very clean, internally, you'll find plenty of organization. Internal dividers for both a 15-inch laptop and an extra-large tablet, both mounted 2 inches off the bottom of the bag for added protection. 2 zipper pockets on both sides, also added for additional organization. The Urban Assault comes in a 21-liter bag as well as an 18-liter bag. And for size reference, I'm 5'11" and a half.